my brother Bird, nigga. What's up with you, man? I mean, we was too deep with no sleep, serving dope fiends. On my mama. The world was ours, nigga. Two young niggas didn't give a fuck about nothing. Wish a motherfucker would, though. Trapping, nigga. I'm talking about really trapping, nigga. Running whole nigga complexes, blocks and things. Niggas was never on that, nigga. But me and you was on that, nigga.
We was too deep with a hungry stare. Out there in the streets cause the money there. Had to move me when you wasn't there. Down to take a nigga life, I don't fucking care. Never had a chance, no it wasn't fair. The struggles and your pain, which I was aware.
Right there in your face is like I wasn't there.
But we was too deep with a hungry stare. Down to take a life, I don't fucking care. Late at night selling heroin off the fucking stairs. Hella fiends smelling money in the fucking air. On our bullshit, yeah, we wish a nigga fucking dare. Bird tripping down and leave a nigga right there. One fight, we all fight, we don't fight fair. Beat that nigga's ass with Junior at the Shell station. Went off laughing, ain't a chance that we might care. Remember Big Black tried to act hard in the trap. Pulled the knife behind my back, then went to go get the strap. Was demon riding dirty, trying to kill a scrap. When we bent the corner and ran right into the task. We was thugging no mask, free my brother. How we always hold back when we used to fight each other. Down to fight for my brother, don't wanna fight with my brother. Late night, trying to get the game right with my brother. We was too deep, with no sleep, serving dope fiends. It was sound like a joke, but we had no dreams. Ain't too many people out there really know me. You my brother, that's much closer than a homie.
We was too deep, with no sleep, serving dope fiends. It was something like a joke, but we had no dreams. Ain't too many people out here really know me. You my brother, that's much closer than a homie.
We was too deep with a hungry stare. Out there in the streets cause the money there. Had to move me when you wasn't there. Down to take a nigga life, I don't fucking care. Never had a chance, no it wasn't fair. The struggles and your pain, which I was aware.
Right there in your face is like I wasn't there.
But we was too deep with a hungry stare.